Are you fixing your sit and spin? Wow. Are you putting it together for Daddy? That's pretty good, Corey. You know how to do it. Very good. Now do the other one. Oh gosh. Wow. Yeah, that one. Wow, good job. You're putting it together. Who brought that for you? Ho-Ho? And Daddy and Mommy? Because we love you. You're a good girl, Corey. You're fixing it. Putting it together. Good job. Alright, it's all ready. Good job. Can you say spin? Can you say slide?
Slide.
Say slide.
Yeah.
Yeah. Say Merry Christmas, everybody.